Hello. Good morning, children. How you all are? Fine? You all are fine, no? Yes, myself Shalini. I am going to teach mathematics of class 5th. So children, what we have discussed in our previous class? Which topic? Remember? Yes, we have discussed a topic called addition. Which topic? Yes, it was addition. In that, what all we have discussed? Yes, we have discussed the definition, terms used in addition, and we have solved some of the problems like find the sum with carry, without carry, and even we have solved some word problems. So we have solved some word problems. So children, remember something about the addition? Yes, what is the definition? Can you tell? Can you tell? Yes, tell it. Memorize it? Yes, it is nothing but the process of adding more than two things, we call it as an addition. Means the process of adding more than two things, two numbers, or more than two numbers, or it may be two things or two objects, that process we call it as an addition. In that, what are the terms used, children? Mainly we are going to use two terms. First is addends, and second it is SUM sum. So first it is addends and it is sum. So what do you mean by addends? I hope you all know. First number, first addend, second number, second addend. Suppose if you have an example like this. So this we call it as first addend, this we call it as first addend, this we call it as second addend, and whatever answer this you are getting, we call it as SUM sum. So mainly it has two terms in it. First is addends and second is sum. Then what all we have discussed, children? Yes, we have discussed some problems. Yes, no? With carry problems, without carry problems. After that, we have discussed about word problems. What do you mean by word problems? Means they give you some sentences. Where word problems, nothing but they give you the sentences. You need to read those sentences and you have to get the solution for that. So already first and second we have solved, children. So in our today's class we will discuss remaining three. We are going to discuss remaining three sums. So I hope you all remember first and second. I hope you all understood how to do it. Now today we are going to discuss exercise 2.1. In that third bit, solve the following problems. Third bit, third problem. Already first and second we have discussed in last class. So today we are going to start with third problem. So shall we read the question, children? Shall we read? You all are ready? Yes. Read the question. An Indian cricketer scored 40,025 runs in the test cricket matches and 15,759 runs in one-day cricket matches. So, how many runs did the cricketer score in all? So, I hope children, what are the terms used for the word problems? That also I have told. Yes, in all, together, sum, total. These all are the terms used for the word problem. Now you all can see in all. In all in the sense you have to do the addition. So terms used for the word problems are in all, together, total. Means you have to do the addition. So what is the question, children? Little bit at least you understood? Yes, you all know cricket very well. I hope you all know which is your favorite game. Means you will be telling always cricket. So many are found of the cricketer. So an Indian cricketer, they didn't give the particular name, just they have told one Indian cricketer. He has scored 14,025 runs in test match. So you can take your favorite cricket player. So you can take any favorite, your own favorite cricket player like Kohli, Virat Kohli. Shall we take Virat Kohli? Yes. So suppose they didn't give the name, just I am giving you the example. So that Virat Kohli has scored 14,025 runs in, means he will be scoring 14,025 runs in test matches, means he has scored the 14,025 runs in the test match and 15,759 runs in one day match. Means what is the run in one day match children? How much runs he has scored in one day match? He has scored in one day match 15,759. So Virat Kohli in test match he has scored 14,025 and in one day match he is going to score 15,759. So now what is our question? How many runs did the cricketer score in? So how many runs did the Virat Kohli has scored, or how many runs did he made all together? You need to find. So how to find children? How we are going to get? Yes, we are going to get the total number of runs made by Virat Kohli by making the addition. So how we are going to get? How we are going to get the total runs scored by Virat Kohli? By making the addition, we are going to get the total runs scored or made by the Virat Kohli. So shall we start the solution? I hope you all understood the question children. Yes. Copy this question. Below this question itself you need to solve, because I don't have place here. I am going to start at this side on right side, but you need to solve below of your question. So below this question itself you need to solve. So what is the first sentence children? First sentence, number of runs scored in test match. Number of runs scored in test matches. So how many runs he has scored in test? How many runs he has scored in test matches? Yes, it is 14,025. Then second statement, next, number of runs scored in one day match. So number of runs scored in one day matches. How much runs he has scored children? Yes, it is 15,759. So 15,759. So Virat Kohli, we have taken just an example. In test match, he has scored 14,025 runs, and in one day match, he has scored 15,759. So together, how many runs he has scored? That you have to find. How to find children? Yes, you need to make the plus of test match with one day match. You will get the total of Virat Kohli's run. So now total runs scored equals to 14. You can write 14,025 plus 15,759. I hope you all can see total runs scored. So how we are going to get total children? Total runs scored equals to 14,025 plus 15,000. Wait, it is not clear to all. I'll write one more time. So next statement, TOTAL, total runs scored by cricketer. So total runs scored by cricketer equals to 14,025 plus 15,759. So total runs scored by cricketer in all equals to 14,025 plus 15,759. So now you do the total children. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So make the columns for each. And make one row for carry. One row you leave for carry. It will be easy to count. Then you enter the first number 5, 2, 0, 4, 1. Then what is the second number? 9, 5, 7, 5, 1. Then you do the plus of these two numbers, children. Then you have to do the plus. Then you have to do the plus of these two numbers. Just do it, children. I hope you all know how to add. From which place you should start adding? From 10,000 place? No. In my last class itself I have told always you should start adding from the ones place. So start adding. So 5 plus 9. So 5 plus 9 you can use finger counting or vertical lines counting or mental counting. Whichever you feel easy you should do. Okay. So 9 plus 5 it will be 14. So 4 you should write. 4 you should write in ones place and carry to the tens place. So now count the tens place, children. 2 plus 5 7. 2 plus 5 7. Carry 1. You should count the carry. Okay. 2 plus 5 7 plus carry 1. It is 8. Then next hundreds place. 0 plus 7. 0 no. 0. No. 0 plus 7 it will be 7. Don't get confused, children. Then next thousands place you add. 4 plus 5. Yes, it is 9. Then 10,000 place. 1 plus 1. It is 2. So what is the total runs scored by the cricketer, children? Total runs scored is 29,784. So therefore total runs scored equals to therefore total runs scored equals to 29,784. So total runs scored by the cricketer is how much, children? It is 29,784. So what was the question, children? Here cricketer is there. He is going to score 40,025 test match and 15,759 in the one day match. Next, what was our last question? How many runs did he score in all? So total in all he has scored 29,784. So I hope you all understood, children. Yes. Move on to the next fourth question. Just copy the solution, children. Copy the solution and try to understand it. Okay? They are very simple. Only you need to read the sentence clearly. When sentences are clear, easily you can solve the question. So what is our next question? Fourth question. Just copy the solution till then I will write the fourth question. Okay? A public library in a city has 17,943 books in Kannada, 14,635 books in Hindi, and 10,284 books in English. 10,284 books in English. How many books are there in the library altogether? So all you can see all together word. So all together means what, children? S. It is nothing but addition. So what is the fourth question, children? Read it. A public library in a city has 17,943 books in Kannada, 14,635 books in Hindi, and 10,284 books in English. So I hope you all know library. I hope you all know library, children. You have a library in your school, no? You had library in your school? Yes, we were having library and you all went to the library also. Okay, what you will do? Why you will go to library? Yes, to get the knowledge. So, usually people will go to library to get the knowledge. So, how we will get the knowledge? Yes, through the books. So, library is going to maintain a variety of books to get the knowledge, to get the wide knowledge. So, a library mainly contains a variety of books to get the wide knowledge. So, children, in one city is there, a city has a library. Like you stay in Gulbarga, Gulbarga has a library. Yes, it has a library, and that library is going to have a variety of books. Means some books will be of Kannada, some books of Hindi, some books of English. Means all languages books a library is going to maintain. So children, now they have given a public library in a city has 17,943 books of Kannada. Means Kannada, how many books are there? Kannada books 17,943. Hindi, how many Hindi books are there? 14,635. And English 10,028 books. So now we have to find all together how many books are there in library. So they have given section wise. So they have given you section wise, Kannada this much, Hindi this much, English this much. Separate calculation they have given. Now you have to make the sum or you have to make the total. Then you have to tell total how many books are there in a library. Shall we start the solution? It is very simple. So first copy the question, children. Fourth question. Then you need to write the solution for it. So shall we start? Yes. So first sentence. So it is fourth solution. Question number 4. So a public library in the city has 17,943 books in Kannada. So number of books in Kannada. So number of books in Kannada are how many, children? Yes, it is 17,943. 17,943. Next, number of books in Hindi. Number of books in Hindi. Number of books in Hindi are how many? Read there, see the question, children. They are 14,635. So, number of books in Hindi are 14,635. Next is number of books in English. So number of books in English are how many, children? Number of books in English are how many? Yes, you all can see 10,284. So 10,284. Now, how many books are there in the library altogether? Next, total number of books. Total number of books in library. So total number of books in library equals to all the number you have to do the plus. So 17,943 plus you have to add all the three numbers. Then you will get the total number of books in the library. So next is 14,635 plus 10,284. So add, children, add all the three numbers. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So make the columns. Make the 5 columns. Neatly make. Use your pencil scale to make the columns. And leave one row for carry. Then write the first number 3, 4, 9, 7, 1. Then this we call it as first addend. Then write the second addend 5, 3, 6, 4, 1. Then one more we have, this we call it as third addend. So 4, 8, 2, 0, 1. So add all the three numbers, children. Add all the three numbers. Add all the three numbers, you will get the sum. So you are going to get the total number of books in the library. One row you have to look for carry because it will make you easy to count. So shall we start? Shall we start adding, children? Yes, start from ones place. So 4 plus 5, 9. 4 you can add either from upside or you can add from the downside. So no change in the answer. So 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 3 it will be 12. So 2 you should write in ones place and carry should be given in the tens place. So children, make sure that try to add mentally. So now you all are grown up, so please try to add mentally. Don't use fingers like vertical lines. Try to add mentally, okay? If you get confused, you can use vertical line 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you can count, okay? Then next children, you can add 8 plus 3, 11. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 plus 4, 14. 14 plus 1, it is 15. So again carry to the hundreds place. Then easily you can add 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 16 plus 2, 18. So 8 here, carry 1. So next 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 0, 12. So 2 here, carry 1. Then next 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. So what are total number of books in library are how many, children? 42,852. Then you can write the solution. Therefore, total number of books in library. Total number of books in library. How many are there? 42,852. Therefore, total number of books in library equals to 42,852. I hope you all understand. Library, mainly we are maintaining, or mainly library is meant for getting the knowledge. It will have variety of books. You can get a variety of knowledge. So children, please try to visit the libraries. Try to search the books of different authors, whatever it may be, and try to get the more knowledge. Okay, this is all about the fourth question and its solution. So neatly you should write, children. Use your pencil scales to make the columns. So in our next class, we will start with a new topic, that is called, what is the next operation after addition, children? Yes, subtraction. So next we are going to start the subtraction. Okay? Till then, take care. Good day. Bye bye.